Hey guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I'm gonna be going on a little lunch date and doing a little some other things. I'm gonna be doing some other things on the road as well. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me, or try my best to take you guys along with me as best as I can. So I hope you guys will stick around for the rest of the vlog. Remember to subscribe, like, share, check out the previous videos on my channel, check out my other channel called YAADMENTZ, and I will see you guys in the rest of the video. To start out this vlog before I actually forget. So today is Saturday. As I said, I'm going on the road today. My hair don't look so good, but don't worry yourself, like, I soon fix up, I'm soon look good and look nice. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit of laundry this morning, and so after I finish my laundry and whatever, I'm gonna start getting ready. Also, I know I did a video couple weeks ago about some press-on nails that I did. I actually was able to remove them. I told you guys that I would have given you an update on the wear of them, so they actually wore very well. I was able to remove them, and today, because I'm going on a little date, I actually am planning to put on the same set again. So I'm going to be doing that as a part of my preparation as well, so don't mind the busted right? But yeah, I'm just previewing the vlog with that. It's really hot today. Is just a really hot day. But anyway guys, when I'm starting to get ready, or when I'm getting ready, I will check back in with you guys, and then we will head on the road. Alright guys, so we're on our way now. Yes, I still have on my head tie because I want my hair to lay properly. I did go ahead and reapply the nails. They still look good to me, like I didn't have an issue, but let's see as I wear them throughout the day how it will go. Anyway guys, I will link you guys up and show you guys where we're going for lunch. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so we reach our destination. I show now, or if you don't know the background, I know which part we're there. But yeah, the place will come, it already look crowded. It already looks super crowded. Make sure I have my little mask and it sounds like it's very popping in there. So let me show you guys where we are. Yes, I take off my head tie, my ear look laid. Look alright, it don't look too bad. Soon show you my fit. Hopefully I get to show you that. But yeah, let's check out this spot. So we're at Chilitos today. Lord, the music got beer copyright music. The place is literally so crowded. Watch out. The place is full. I don't even know if we're going to get a place to sit down, but yes, so we are going now. I don't know if I can really vlog in this either, because I don't think there'll be space because the place is so full. Alright guys, so I just finished at Chilitos. Honestly, I would have loved to film in Chilitos, but it was really crowded. One, it started to rain. Two, three, them playing music like really loud, and I never want to get no copyright. But I tried to show you as much of the food as I could. I hope I remember to show you everything. Like the rain literally just stopped fall and it's like super humid. That's why I sweat. But the food was good. I had a burrito bowl. So I had beef, the roasted salsa, and I added plantains, and my date also had the same thing. And we had 2 margaritas.
Just
No, it's you come peeking your head, so I thought you wanted to say hi. Anyway, so my date had my husband.
Right.
My husband had I think he got the lime margarita. I think he ordered the mango margarita, but I think he got a lime because I did taste it and I'm like, this doesn't taste like mango, this tastes like lime. So we got margaritas. I got the watermelon one. People may eat off everything. I should have shown a picture of how I eat off everything. I never leave nothing at all. But we're leaving now. I think we may be going to the supermarket. I think we're gonna go to the supermarket, so I might vlog a little bit in the supermarket and probably just show you guys what we got and what the supermarket stay like. But yeah, right now we are pushing, we are leaving. Food was good. And yeah, that was our little chill time. And of course, people, you know, so we chat our last and we're going with yourself. I'm never gonna film and vlog all of that. But yeah, these are the things there. Like, it's really raining, like really hard. So we're heading back over now to go to the supermarket, and I guess we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Guys, had to run into the supermarket because rain a fall, but we're in the supermarket now. Sean there now, ready for done off my money. I'm gonna take up anything we want. Ready for done my money, people. Say hi, friends. This is the shopper, you know. Him just shop and me pay for. Him take up anything he want, I'ma pay for it. You know, not really so busy as me did think it. They are busy. Seeing as how it's a mountain, not so busy. I'm just here to spectate in the shopping. Clumsy McNumsy. Them look nice, people. Nicey. Egg. I'm not even get for showing on my outfit. My nails them not come out too bad at all, you know. I can't believe I just literally the same nails them I just reuse and put on. I'm not bad, people. I'm not bad. Friend, all of them look proper. Them big. I look on them price, yeah. These ladies things. Like me can't believe say tampon cost so much money. $1,200. Sad. For just 18. My god. People, the line is so long. Watch out. After I think the place empty. Place full. Full. So I totally forgot that I did not close out the vlog. So this is future Devi here, just closing out the vlog. Just want to thank you guys again for watching another vlog of Just Devi Marie. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog of me just showing you around what I did on the Saturday. I will try to do more of them, and I promise I'm gonna try and get better at the vlogging. I'm actually waiting for some stuff to come in that will enable me to give you guys longer vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned for that. I want to remind you guys as well to subscribe if you haven't. Also remember to like the video if you enjoyed it. Please remember as well to check out the previous video on my channel and my other channel playlist. And also, you know, I have another channel with my husband called YAADMENTZ that I'd love for you guys to check out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.